Good morning, children. Today, we are going to look at your textbook, page 66 and 67. 同学们早上好，今天我们要看的是你们的课本第66以及67页。You can take out your textbook because you might need it when you do your work later. 同学们，你们也可以拿出你们的课本，因为待会儿你们在完成你们功课的时候呢，你们是需要参考课本的。I believed you have watched the story just now. Now, let's read the story again together. 老师相信刚刚你们已经看过了这一则的故事，那现在呢，我们一起来念一念这个故事。我念一句，你念一句。Ready? Greg and Anna are on Uncle Sam's farm. Uncle Sam is showing the animals to the children. This is Daisy the dog. And that is Henry the horse. How many horses are there on the farm? Uncle Sam? Just one. But I have got 10 ducks and 15 cows. Do ducks eat tomatoes? Of course. They loved them. What other animals are there on the farm? Goats and sheep. I have got 20 goats and 45 sheep. I make cheese with the milk. It's delicious. Look, Greg. A mouse. Where is it going? Uncle Sam. The mice love your cheese. Shoo, shoo. Go away. Very good, children. You have just finished reading the story. 同学们，我们刚刚念过了这一则的故事。Now, let's look at this. Greg and Anna are on Uncle Sam's farm. Greg 和 Anna 在 Uncle Sam 的农场里。Farm 就是农场。A farm is a place where you have a lot of animals. 那农场呢，都是养有很多动物的地方。Uncle Sam is showing the animals to the children. 那 Uncle Sam 呢，就在为这些孩子们展示他的动物。Showing 就是让他们看。This is Daisy the dog, and that is Henry the horse. 所以这一只鸭子，它的名字叫 Daisy， 而这一匹马，它的名字叫 Henry. How many horses are there on the farm, Uncle Sam? 叔叔，请问这农场上有多少匹马？ How many 是多少？ How many horses are there? 总共有几匹的马呢？ Just one. 有几匹呢？只有一匹。But I have got 10 ducks and 15 cows. 这位叔叔呢，他有10只的鸭子和15头的牛。Do ducks eat tomatoes? 鸭子会吃番茄吗？ Of course, 当然。They love them. 他们很爱番茄。What other animals are there on the farm? What other? Other 就是其他。What other animals? 那还有什么动物呢？在农场里还有什么动物呢？ Goats and sheep. Alright, goats 是山羊， sheep 是绵羊。What is the difference between a goat and a sheep? You can see that the goat has horns, but a sheep doesn't have horn. A goat does not have fur, but a sheep is furry. 那山羊 goat 它是有羊角的，那 sheep 绵羊则没有。山羊它的身上是比较光秃秃的，而绵羊呢则是毛茸茸的。I have got 20 goats and 45 sheep. Uncle Sam 呢有20只的山羊和45只的绵羊。I make cheese with the milk. 我用它们的奶来制成 cheese 乳酪。It's delicious. 同学们，你们记得什么是 delicious 吗？ Delicious means yummy. It tastes good. Look, Greg, a mouse. 有一只老鼠。Where is it going? 它要去哪里呢？ When the children get into the farmhouse, Uncle Sam, the mice love your cheese. 这些老鼠很喜欢你的 cheese. Now, remember, one mouse, many mice. 一只我们用 mouse, 很多我们用 mice. Shoo, shoo, go away. Alright, that's the end of the story. Now, look at here. This is the difference between one and many, singular and plural. 同学们，这里呢就是一个和很多个的差别，单数和复数。请跟着老师念。Can you read with me? Duck, ducks. Goat, goats. Cow, cows. Horse, horses. Chicken, chickens. Tomato, tomatoes. Wolf, wolves. Mouse, mice. Sheep, sheep. Child, children. Alright, I will explain this to you further in our next lesson. 那为什么有些只是加 s， 有一些是加 es， 有一些则是整个字换完？老师下一堂课会再跟你们来讲解更多。Now, please complete your exercise in the Google form. 那现在呢，同学们，是你们要做功课的时候了。That's all for today. Thank you and bye.